How was the fog on the way over here?
Pretty thick.
Was it?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Mr. Go Ultra.
How are you doing?
I'm doing all right.
Morning, Chris.
Mr. Tom, how you doing?
Doing great.
Good
How are
to
you
see
today?
Good.
About it before you do that.
Seth?
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Chris,
Hey, Bob, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good morning.
Mr. Don?
It comes with a.
I don't know this guy. Who is this guy?
It also.
How you doing there, sir? You here?
Have we met?
Hey,
How you doing?
Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah,
Uh-oh, Snowy's got some moisture on her today.
yes,
And
yeah.
so does Tagalong.
Well, yes, early in the morning. You got me up here before the crack of dawn.
It was a very foggy Sunday morning when some of us met up at a wake at 6 a.m. But why are we meeting on a Sunday that's not the first Sunday of the month? Well, to answer that, we have to go back to yesterday. So this Saturday, Robert White and I are going to take a short ride from my neighborhood out to DFW Honda. Today I'm on this NX 500. This is the first time I've had this bike out at highway speeds. I'm finishing up my review of the bike and I wanted to see how it performs at highway speeds. And we're on our way to DFW Honda to meet somebody special who rode over 600 miles to come in for a special event that Robert has been participating in for many years. I'm going to put a link in the upper right-hand corner of this video to Robert White's video where he goes into great detail on this special charity ride that he is participating in. As soon as we walk into DFW Honda, we're greeted by Road Glide and his wife, Debbie. And then we head back to the special guest for the day, none other than Mac from Gold Rider 1 and Tom Miller from Tom's Goldwing Adventures. Of course, we had to go outside and check out Snowy and Tagalong. That's his Goldwing and his Hannigan trailer. So now that we've greeted Mac and welcomed him to DFW, now we can go forward to Sunday morning.
19, 20 years old.
Morning,
So how'd you get into
Mr. Go Ultra.
Not at all. As a matter of fact, we lost track for
I know you'd always have something to say.
probably for almost every.
Hi, Cruiseman. How are you doing?
9.5
Hi, Cruiseman's viewers. Please like and subscribe. I'm a member of the 100,000 subscriber campaign. Please subscribe to Cruiseman. And if you don't mind, would you watch his Crown and comments?
80s. And so, like,
Please watch that because he's desperate right now. If you watch his last one, you can see he's pretty desperate.
Gary and Bob over here, and of course,
not seeing each other.
Tom from Tom's
I want to see the word.
Adventures, Goldwing Adventures.
Getting ready to go on the teddy bear ride here in a little while.
That's right.
You don't lose a day.
When he left off of this.
So after we enjoyed a nice breakfast together at a wake, it was time for everybody to get on their bikes and get ready for the annual teddy bear ride. So after breakfast, we can clearly see a lot of animals have begun to attack these Honda Goldwings. And if you want to know more as to why, I think Robert White will do a much better job of explaining this charity event than I will. So I invite you to go over to his channel and learn more about this annual teddy bear ride charity event for children. Thanks, guys, for all you do. I'm sorry I couldn't make it this year. I had something else come up that I had to deal with. Thanks for all you do for the community.